So I just wanted to show you what it's like when it rains here. This isn't even really a hard rain, but it's been raining for, it started yesterday, and yeah, that's my yard completely flooded. I'm actually wearing an oilskin to keep it wet and dry. So, yeah, got to come puddle there. Chickens are trying their best to stay dry. So, see here, I got a river flowing through my yard here. Anyway, maybe the ducks are liking it. And I'm hoping this is going to end soon, so then I'll get out and I'll be doing some feeding. Oh. There, the turkeys. There's the ducks. So. Anyway, that's what it's like when it rains out here where I'm at. But like I said, this isn't even a hard rain. I get a hard rain and it can literally dump 4 inches, 5 inches an hour in a real extreme rain out here. So anyway, there it is.